Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your man Knowledge coming at y'all with another video. Some more real talk. This is a video response to Jalea Ireland or Jalea Ireland. Sometimes I be tripping on your name, but she made a video called "Our Own Enemy," and she basically was talking about how the black community, a lot of times, the problems that we go through and the things that we deal with on a day-to-day basis, it's our fault. We put ourselves in these type of predicaments, and like I was saying in my other video, a lot of times we self-destruct and we tear up our own environment. We don't take care of our community, and I absolutely agree with it. There is something called, African Americans and niggas. I try not to use that term because it's really derogatory. When white people hear, it makes us look really, really bad. But hey, it is what it is. It is true. But the reason why I think that these type of things happen where black people get together and a fight will break out, or somebody will get stabbed, or somebody gets shot. It's because it's our mindset. It's our environment. Everybody's a product of their environment, whether you like it or not. I think back to when Tupac said in Poetic Justice, I never seen all these black people together without it being a fight. When they was at the barbecue, and a lot of times that's true. But when you come from, a lot of times African Americans, they come from the hood. There's a lot of crime. Everybody is trying to get out the barrel, or they robbing Peter to pay Paul, and just basically ripping off another poor person just to try to give them an advantage in life. But it's that mindset. It's where we come from. It's our neighborhood. So when we all come together with that mindset, we don't always, when we have an altercation with somebody, or we have a disagreement, when you come from the hood, because I'm a cat that comes from the hood. I don't get on that coonery niggerish shit, but I know how the mindset is. A lot of times when you have a disagreement with somebody, your instinct is, okay, I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna pull out a knife and stab you. I'm gonna pull my gun out and shoot you. It's not okay. We got a disagreement. Let's talk it out. Let's see what the problem is. The instinct is that I'm gonna take you out, or I'm gonna start some shit. And I think it just goes back to where we come from. For an example, you look at hip hop. Now a lot of these cats in hip hop, come from the inner city, come from environments that are not necessarily the safest place. So when they do get a record deal, get money, get fame and fortune, they still have that mentality inside of them. And that's why you'll see a lot of beats with their hip hop. No genre of music has as much problems and as much beef and disagreements and diss records than hip hop. Not country, not rock, not pop. No other genre of music has most problems as hip hop. Because when you bring these people from these environments, even though they have money and they have fame and all that, the minute there's a disagreement or somebody says something slick, I'm coming at you. I'm coming at you with full force. I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to stab you. I'm going to humiliate you. That's just the mindset. So, just like the old saying says, you can take the boy out of the hood, but you can't take the hood out the boy. So, I mean, that's basically my video response to it, on to why, a lot of times this stuff happens. Now, you can look at, Caucasians. They cut up too sometimes when they get together. But I think because a lot of them don't come from these type of environments, it doesn't happen as much. Now, they'll blow up stuff, cops will come out, and then let's not forget that the cops are more lenient towards white people. Bunch of black people somewhere at a park, just kicking it, the cops gonna show up just to see what's going on, because they don't know if we plotting, they don't know if it's some gang activity stuff, they don't know if, it's a fight broke out, but we can see a whole bunch of white people at a park and it's nothing. They just enjoying the summertime, enjoying the weather. So you have to keep that in mind too, but, that's basically my video response to yours. Good video, like always. Y'all check Jalea Ireland out. She makes very good videos. Very mature for her age, too, as I've said before. But y'all comment, rate, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'm out, y'all. Peace.